Hi, I'm Paula Bernier, Executive Editor at TMC. I'm here at ITEXPO in Anaheim, and I'm speaking to Brendan Nolan. He's President of Waterford Technologies. Welcome.
Thank you.
So for those not familiar with Waterford Technologies, can you tell us a bit about the company? How long has the company been around, and what does it do?
Yeah, the company was founded in 2000, so we've been around for 15 years now. We're predominantly in the email archiving and file archiving business. And we also own a product called GoldFax, which is a network faxing solution, which we're focusing on a little bit today while we're at the show.
And how does fax fit into the overall UC picture and where things are going?
Yeah, I think a lot of people will probably be surprised at how much faxing is still going on today. There's huge volumes of faxing that we see within our customer base and other organizations that we know are using faxing. With the transition to a lot of IP-based telecommunications, particularly with voice over IP and fax over IP, there are a lot of problems with quality of the faxing because if your network or you have latency on your voice over IP system, you can manage that from a voice point of view, but from a faxing point of view, it causes problems. You get a lot of data loss. So we're seeing a lot of organizations who are struggling. They often go into a voice over IP project and forget about their faxing. And all of a sudden they realize, oh, we actually do a lot of faxing, and now we're having technical issues. So what can we do to solve that? So we've been involved in, or we're getting involved in a lot of projects where people are, okay, I've moved to the voice over IP solution. I'm having faxing problems. What do I do now? So we can come in and we can help them to solve those issues, either by directly connecting into the telephone systems or bypassing the telephone systems altogether and going out to a cloud-based solution that we have on offer today.
And I understand Waterford also has an email archiving solution.
Yes.
What sort of customer pain points does that address?
So the email archiving solution is really targeted at organizations that want to keep a historical record of all of their email. So, pretty litigious society we live in today, so being able to go back, any number of years and find an email that was sent or received by somebody within your organization and to use that as proof that, something was said or something was not said. And it's really outside of the remit of the individual user. We capture the emails, they're stored securely. If somebody happens to delete an email from their mailbox, it's still going to be in the archive, so you can still go back and find it. So whether it's an ex-employee or some agreement or contract that you signed a couple of years ago, you'll still be able to go back and find that and prove to the person that this is what was said.
Right.
And that's really the number one reason why people are implementing archiving.
Great. All right. Well, thanks so much for joining us here today.
Thank you.
Have a great show.